Hello everyone, my name is Lucian and welcome to Subway Surfers. And yeah, so we're just gonna wait for this to load. We're fine, we'll be fine. Oh, that is not the music that I can remember. Anyway, oh, you wanna know? I was born on the I'm like incredibly old, guys. No, not that. No, we have to go more. I was born beyond the year zero BC. Yes, I was born in the 19th in November. Except that. Alright, let's play. Right, so I just jump like that, jump again. Alright, this isn't so bad, guys. I just have to speak louder so that the sound quality doesn't mess up again. Oh, there's fresh moves in that a character in the game. Anyway, let's just keep on playing so that everything can be right, guys. Because if everything's right. Oh, and I have a other boat. Oh, look at my sick tricks. Yeah, this lead brush like fire. Yeah. Anyway. Anyway, guys. Yeah. 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 Alright. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the sick tricks, guys. This is some nice sick tricks. Yeah. Yeah, I'm jumping. This is not safe. Oh, and I survived. Best of my life. Best of my life. My dad would have been proud. It's not dead, guys. Don't worry. It's just like. Anyway, guys. I got the U for FU anyway. Oh, no, for fun. I thought it would be. Anyway, let's go. This is a family friendly channel, guys. So, yeah. Anyway, just keep on playing. Yeah, I'm not gonna die. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh, oh. You can't do nothing to me, guys. Oh, I feel like Mumbai now. Oh, yeah, mystery box. Yeah, you guys think I never played this game before, eh? No, no. I just took a long break. And now you guys can all see my sick tricks. Oh, yeah. Just 2,000 meters. Think, measure it in meters. Oh, oh, I never die. I never die. I never freeze. Anyway, because this is Wakanda. I got vibranium. You have no vibranium. See, guys, without vibranium, these trains. I'm just speaking random nonsense, guys. Nonsense. It's not right. Anyway, I usually got a mission which was complete. Anyway, you see, because in the village of the Hidden Leaf, sound quality, guys, isn't that bad in my videos. That's for speaking so loud. You guys, if your ears just can't handle the absolute swag, and I got my butt kicked. Oh, there you go. Isn't this supposed to? Yay! Oh, I got money. Young Mullah, baby! Anyway, 1,000 coins. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I got two of them. Oh my god, trick is that awesome. Oh, 4,000 meters. Oh, or whatever they mean by it. Anyway, go home. I can go and get my gift. So that's great. Yeah, I got Jack's dog outfit. Why is it dog? Uh, is this free? Uh, 13. This sucks. What's this? J, a Mumbai special. Anyway, just keep on speaking incredibly loud so that everybody can hear me. Anyway, let's go for another one. Alright, anyway, yeah. Sick tricks. That, Police officer will never catch me. Boom. Oh, absolutely savage. Nobody can do anything to me. I got the magnets. I got the swag. I feel incredibly slow for some reason. Hoverboard. Forgot that I had it. Anyway. Yeah. Look at my sick tricks. I did grind, guys. I grind that ollie, dude. So good. Anyway, guys. That's the stereotype that wasn't that true. Those guys aren't like that. Anyway, let's play. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Look at these sick tricks, guys. I almost got my balls split in half. Bounce? I love bounce. That's copied from Jacksepticeye. Oh my gosh. Woo! That's my helium voice. Anyway. I believe I can fly. I got shot by the FBI. All I wanted was a chicken wing. But they shot me in the ding-a-ling. So then I went to the hospital. Then I went to my own funeral. Anyway, what I did was bump into anything. That's a glitch. Oh, 5,000. I'm happy with that. We all happy with that. We all happy down here. Anyway, I can watch a video. Bookies. What is my tour? Oh, so if I come in title, I get the super mystery box. Anyway, oh, missions. I just wasted money. I wasted my money. That's an issue. I only have 44 now. They surprised me, bro. How is it free with any purchase? It's 70% off. Okay. I give up on my life. This. And that is 13 rand. Wow. Anyway, just keep on running. Just keep running, just keep running, just keep running, running. Oh, damn. Anyway, I can do this. I feel great. I can even do another skate. Oh, yeah. Just on time. Look at the sick tricks. I'm flying again. You guys want me to sing again? No, damn it. I want to sing again. Oh, I think I kind of go on now. Oh my god. From Team Foster? Yeah. Anyway, I really don't know how I got my... Damn it. You guys saw that lag? It's the lag's fault, not my fault. And not because my space, I don't have any space on my phone. I need memory card. Oh, sugar and iced tea. Holy F knuckles, I'm high as a kite right now. Anyway, this is he playing. Ooh, what's this? Do I get a numbers? Dad, it's the numbers. Can I go on it because I feel hard? Anyway, so I get a numbers. Oh, that's great. Sometimes I wish I could just buy all the stuff. But don't worry, I will get that numbers. One day, guys. Oh, in the next 17 days. I'll get that numbers, guys. I will get that numbers. Alright, guys. I will. Alright, guys. I think this will be... now it will not. Yeah, why not? One more run until the end of the video. So let's just jump. There's not even be a 20-minute run. Pogo stick jitsu. I'm running on the roof. What can you guys do? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, hope Masako X can be proud of me because I can do the voices. Anyway, just jump. Yeah. Now I hope deep in my mother. I didn't even see that. Damn. Okay, guys. So if you guys like that video, kick that like button in the face. Like a person that's as employee, and remember, um, flat hands all around. If you guys like that, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Guy rip off of outro. Oh, you guys see what just happened. Alright, bye.